demo of the tape and drape.
Nicely done. Get your perfect line. Statically charged to protect your windows.
Easy as that.
Easy as that.
I know I've got a bit of a gambling addiction, and I was in rehab for gambling, and this is going to bring it all back to me. So we're going to go spin to win, spin to win, spin to win, spin to win, spin to win. Oh, 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 oh! Yay! It's like Noel Edmonds' house party. Everybody's a winner. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye bye. No strangers to my YouTube channel, and we're going to be talking about Lick paints now, Lick Pro paints. They've got a stand at the ScrewFix Live event 2025. Just like the stand last year in 2024. But this year, we've come in early. It's very busy. I've got a mic on Emma. If you remember Emma last year, she did have red hair. She's now gone blonde. I'm going to swivel the camera around. I'm going to find Emma on this very busy stand. She's going to talk us through the things that Lick Pro is all about when it comes to paint. So we'll do 1, 2, 3. All over to you, Em, please. We've got a busy stand, haven't we, today?
Yes.
And we're only 9:30 in the morning.
Only 9:30. Come and spill the Wheel of Fortune to win a prize. Oops. You can come over to our colour consultation area. Fastest delivery.
Oh yeah, all right, carry on, Emma, sorry.
And then have a look at our sustainable tools.
Have we got any brushes? Am I allowed to sniff the bristle?
Yes.
Well, let's have a sniff. Thank you. We like that. Thank you. Those that remember from last year, we've got Ben, who's their pro decorator on stand. We've got Tash, who's colour consultancy, just disappearing off camera. We've got, I think we've got Charlie.
Where did he go?
Callum's down there. They're the people behind Lick Pro Paints. And this is the stand for 2025.
Woo!
Right, I've got a mic on Tash now. She's colour consultant, expertise extraordinaire. Talk about the colours you've got for 2026, please.
Okay, so for 2026, we are actually doing a palette of 8 colours. And the popular one, the most one, is this gorgeous red 06, which is like a rich burgundy tone. And then we're doing a combination of that one, blue 03, which is this lovely minty blue that looks good in any room direction. Another one, now I've got to find out where they are. Hold on. Oh, the butter yellow. This is so interesting. New neutral can go in any room, liven it up. When it comes to neutrals, the one that we know is going to be popular is these two. So warm neutrals, so out with the grey, in with the pink-based neutrals. White 06 and taupe 03, both epic colours. They can go in any room of the house. And then finally, best or last, blue 18. Oh my God, it's just so gorgeous. This blue also, we predict, is going to be really popular next year.
Please tell me we're going away from the greys.
We are going away from the greys. Out with the greys, in with anything that has a warm undertone. When it comes, funny enough, to greens, this used to be our best seller, which is green 02, which has a heavy grey undertone.
Yeah.
Now it's moving to this one here, which is green 05. Really rich yellow undertone. It's going to warm up your homes more, way more energy, everything we need.
And the beauty with paint is, if you want to swap it every year, you can do.
So
a little bit
easy.
difficult with wallpaper.
Yeah, wallpaper. And also like things like your sofa, your hardware, doing a kitchen, like that's expensive.
Yeah.
Whereas paint, we are £39 a tin. Like that is, it's more of a time thing that I find with my clients. So yes, you have to put in a bit more time, maybe over a weekend decorating, but honestly, it will transform your home.
Yeah.
So you can switch up the colours, anything like that, paint your ceiling, paint your woodwork, any of that.
And the beauty with your paint, you are one of these paints that you can use on the ceiling, you can use on the walls, and you can use the same paint on your woodwork as well.
We are
so colour drenching.
Colour drenching.
Is still the thing.
Colour drenching, very much still the thing. And actually, it's going to be even more popular next year coming. And our paint is multi-surface. So you can paint your walls, your ceiling, your woodwork, your radiator, you name it, with one finish, one tin, that's it.
And as I'm seeing on the demo,
Yes.
which is over there, you can actually paint over wallpaper with your
Yeah,
paint
look how good it is. So,
because of the opacity.
and it's just really rich in pigments. And this is one coat.
We're not advocating painting over wallpaper, but you can actually see by the quality of the paint how that actually,
And that's,
the opacity is fantastic.
so that is just one coat.
Yeah.
Amazing.
Do you know what? You've said it all. We don't need to do any more, but we will say hi to Ben. Morning. If Charlie wants to speak to us,
You need to speak to Charlie. Charlie's like the person who's gonna.
speak to me over here. Right. Let's pause. Right. Hi, Charlie. Tell us all about yourself. Who are you?
I'm Charlie. I'm the Senior Trade Marketing Manager here at Lit. And today I'm showing you our 4 times bigger stand than last year. Year on year, we keep getting bigger and bigger. So we started off about 4 years ago with a small little stand showing off a few tools and a few SKUs. Now we've got the biggest stand we've ever had, and we're just excited to be here.
Brilliant. Just panning round. Everybody's keeping out of the way. We spoke to Tash about your new colours for 2026. How has the paint brands developed over the last couple of years with ScrewFix?
Yeah, of course. So when we started off with our Class 1 kind of scrub emulsion, which was built for high traffic areas. But we know that a lot of the market likes to use a vinyl mat. So this year we're showing off that we have a full kind of range of products. So everything you need to complete the job, we have. So we've got our Max Plus, which is Class 1 scrub rating. And then we have our vinyl mat, which is our Class 2 scrub rating. So for this, you can have kind of your low traffic areas, your bedrooms, and then we have the one for your kitchens, your bathrooms, your hallways, which is a lot more. But not only that, we then introduced our wood and metal, our primer and undercoat, so that when you're doing the paint, you've got everything you need. And then we also have our lovely 10-litre tub, which is great for ceilings, no flash formulation, and it's just an all-round great paint.
And if anybody does come to ScrewFix Live this weekend, they probably won't be seeing the video now, but next year, there are special offers that you actually give because it is a trade event.
Exactly. At the trade event, we do our lowest prices ever. So this year, every single price on our product is the cheapest it's ever been. Max Plus, you're at £49 for 5 litre. 5 litre vinyl mat, you're at £39.99. 10-litre tub, you're at £26.63. The cheapest prices they've ever been, and they'll never be cheaper again.
It's brilliant. You've sold it to me. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for supporting the channel over the last few years. It's much appreciated. If anybody wants to watch any videos on the Lit Pro range, please look in the top left. Oh, top right hand. Yeah, if you point in that corner there, subscribe. The top right hand corner of the screen, top left hand corner for you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. I'll pan round, and I'll see you again at the painting and decorating show